Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a hybrid renewable energy trainer kit. So in this system, we included here solar system, wind turbine system, and also we used here a hand crank system. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So this is the main overview of our system, and in this system we used here a 12 volt 10 watt solar panel and one wind turbine with a 24 volt free DC motor. And in this system we used here a hand crank that will produce voltage when we will rotate this one by using our hand or manually. So in this system, we used here two multimeter. This multimeter will be read the generated voltage, and this one will be used here as a current meter, and that will read the consumed current value by using our loads. And in this system, we included here a AC inverter system that output will show in this AC load. So we will use here this connector. In this connector we used two male connector, and now we will connect with our generation part to our load side. This one for our solar panel, this one for our wind turbine, and this part for our hand crank. So first of all, we will connect our solar system with our load side. So this one is our load side and this one is our battery side. So first of all, we connect here with positive and negative polarity. So you see that our solar panel produce 3.89 volt, and our load is running now, and the consumption value of current is 4.9, or nearest value it's milliampere. And now we will connect our system or load side with our wind turbine system. So it's connected with our wind turbine, and wind turbine is off now. On that case, we need to make sure airflow in our wind turbine. We will make sure that one. So our output voltage is 4.19, or nearest value, with load, and current consumption value is 13 or 15 point something milliampere. If we reduce the speed of airflow, then our generation voltage again reduced, and power consumption value also zero here. And now we will connect our system with our hand crank. So now we will rotate our hand crank, and then we will get output voltage here, and consumption value of current will show in this part. So we will rotate this one continuously. You see here that our load is running now, and our output voltage is nearest 4 volt, and consumption value is 5 point something, it's milliampere. So we insert here a 5 mm LED. The current consumption value is 984, or nearest value it's milliampere, and the voltage of our battery is 11.60. That means this battery is fully charged. And now if we want, then we can recharge our battery from our generation part. On that case, we need to just connect this solar system part with our battery, then our generated voltage from solar will be produced, and then that will be stored in our battery, and we can change this one to our wind turbine, and when wind turbine will be rotated, then this generated voltage will be stored in this battery. And on the same case, we can connect this one with our hand crank, and when it will be generated, then our generated voltage will be stored in our battery or recharge that one. So now we will check our inverter side. So this one is our inverter switch. When we will switch on, then you see that our light is on, and if we want to turn off this one, then we need to manually switch off this one. So Just we try it again. It's load better to load. It's solar to load. It's wind turbine to load. So now we will connect our system with our hand crank again. This is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.